and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do clothing. I do lots of clothing unboxing videos, whether it be subscriptions, stylish services, or shopping hauls. So far, every single video I've done is about clothing and I'm having a blast doing it. So if that sounds good to you or interesting to you, please subscribe below. I really appreciate it, and hopefully you enjoy watching me spend way too much money on clothing, because I know I enjoy it. So today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing video. I have several videos coming up of Trendsend, Mix and Match, Nadine West, and a few, I think 3 styling boxes or clothing boxes that I don't know that I've seen any other videos of or even heard of, and I can't even remember how I found them. So those might be interesting. Who knows, those might be total crap. They could be awesome. So hopefully you'll stick around to watch that. But Stitch Fix, everybody's favorite. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, styling service. You pay a $20 styling fee that then gets applied to any clothes that you buy in the box. They send you 5 pieces you can set it up for 2 to 3 weeks, or every month, or every 3 months. Keep what you like and only pay for what you like, and send back what you don't like, and they give you 3 days to do that. There's a thing out there called the Styling Pass where you pay a flat $49 for the entire year. I have now been rejected from the Style Pass twice. So it seems like every other video I watch, everybody's getting a Style Pass, and for some reason it just eludes me. I don't know if it's because I've sent back, I haven't been a customer long enough, although I think I watched a video the other day where she maybe only got 3 fixes beforehand. If I haven't spent enough, because I typically only buy 1 or 2 things a box, or a couple times I've sent back the box completely. It's probably this. It's probably that I've sent back all 5 items a couple times now, so that does not make me an appealing customer for the Style Pass. But regardless, someday I'm going to get this Style Pass. But that's not today. So what I requested from my stylist, this fix was literally just whatever's cheapest. Well, and whatever she likes for me. I feel like anytime I put in requests, it hasn't worked out. It's either not quite what I was looking for, or usually it's like the most expensive thing in the box and outside of what I'm willing to pay. So I said this time, just go for whatever cheapest. Seems like a really small box, so my prediction is a lot of summery tops. That's going to be my prediction. I think my next fix, I'm going to start asking for some fall stuff, because I really love cooler weather clothes. I love jackets and cardigans, and I'm just somebody who's always cold, so the more I can bundle up, the better. So let's go ahead and see what they have for me. Okay, as always in this box, they provide you with the price sheet and a letter from your stylist, and then they've been putting in here about a Stitch Fix for kids if you are interested in that. And then they provide you with a mailer so you can send back the pieces you don't like. It's USPS, so literally, unless there's a lot in here, it goes straight out in my mailbox. I don't even have to go to the post office, which is awesome. Okay, now the bundle. Okay. Well, it looks like some stripes, some polka dots, some darker fall colors. I like it. I like it so far. I'm hopeful. It's been a while since I've had a fix that I was really like in love with a lot, so I'm hopeful this will be the one. I don't know. Maybe I'm hopeful. I don't really love spending a lot of money, so I don't know. We'll see. Okay, first off, we have this nice purple tank, and it is, I'd call it a mixed material because it is more of a dressy front and a cottony back. I'm really good at describing things. And this is a Paper Moon Petite top, simple purple top. I don't really have anything like it, and it is a nice color, so this has a definite potential to be a keeper. Okay, next up we have another tank, and it is a brown polka dot tank, and again, very cute. So I think that's brown, yes. And then we have, ooh, we have this lacy tank with kind of a, this lace neck. I don't know how to describe that. It's navy. It's similar to one that I've gotten from Stitch Fix that I got in a tan color, but maybe I could use one in a navy as well. It's very pretty. Next we got, ooh, this striped skirt, this gray and white striped skirt. Ooh, I like this a lot. Now I can tell you right now, this is gonna be too small on my rear, so most likely I'll have to size up on this if I want to keep it. But oh, I really like it. It's in a nice material too. What is this? It just feels really, really soft. It is 55% rayon, 25% nylon, 13 polyester, 4 spandex. It's a lot of stuff, but it feels nice. So, really like that. Really like it. And then we have a pair of black skinny jeans. They are, this is by STS Blue. The ankle skinny, again, very soft. I really like it. So, okay, let's get to trying this stuff on. So far, I really like what I see. So, I am very hopeful that I may get a lot of pieces from here. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, first up we have the gray striped skirt and the lace tank. So the skirt is definitely a little bit tight. You can see that it kind of folds up here when I move, so I don't want to be tugging on it the whole time. Plus, it's kind of tight back here. So if I keep this, I will size up, but I really love it. I love the skirt. It's really soft. It's really comfortable. So really, really like it. And I have like maybe one gray skirt, and it's just kind of big and bleh. So I like this a lot. Now, the tank, cute. I think it's really cute. Again, it's almost exactly the same as a light tan colored one that I have, but I love it. And I love this, and it fits well. And I have nothing bad to say about it. I think it's a good tank. Yeah, so again, it'll depend on what the price is, but these might be keepers. All right, next outfit. Next up, we have the black skinnies and the purple tank. The skinnies are super comfortable, super stretchy. They fit really well. They're rolled at the bottom because they must not be petite. Again, fine. And I'd say they're a mid-rise, and they feel really good. The only reason why I probably won't keep these is just I already have another pair of black skinnies, and I don't need more than one pair. I actually have two pairs. One's distressed and one's not. So I just don't really need these, but I really like them, if that counts for anything. So good job, Stitch Fix. Okay, the top fits really well. I like the color. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's a very tuckable shirt, and I like it. That's all I can say about that. I like it. Okay, last top. Okay, last top is the brown and tan polka dot top. I like it. It fits really well. It's very cute. It's a very dressy material. I would say the Only issue that I have with it would be it's pretty long. It's slightly longer than than the purple tank, but also I found it, because it's longer, I found it to be a little less tuckable. So I feel like this is something I'd kind of have to wear out, and I'm just not sure about that. I don't know. You guys can tell me what you think on this. I really like it, and I like the fit. Fits really good up here, and I like the polka dots. I'm just not sure about what's happening down here. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these. So okay, now let's go over the prices. Please be not too expensive, please. Okay, so first of all, let's go over the note from my stylist. I am on fix number 8. I've had Tara since fix number 2. So let's see what she has to say. Okay, it's still Tara. She says, hello, hi Jennifer, happy fix day. Today's fix is focused on a variety of staple pieces for your professional wardrobe. I was able to snag you a great pencil skirt from Renee C. This dark gray is easy to match with several tops to create multiple outfits. Polka dots are always a classic, so I've included the West K blouse. Layer with a fitted blazer for a polished look. The navy lace blouse is sure to be a favorite and look great on you. For a casual look, I have included the black STS blue skinny jeans. These are a classic staple piece for your casual wardrobe. Have fun trying on your pieces. Until next time, XO Tara. Alright, next is the prices. Alright, so we have this top is the West Key Elisa placket detail blouse. It is $38, which, by the way, I've been really frustrated because my last few fixes, even though I keep asking for budget friendly, would have some of the things where everything's over $50 or or at least have a couple things in the upper 40s, and that's the cheapest. So, and I see all these other videos where people are getting stuff in the 20s and the 30s, and it's just like, well, where's that? I want those things. So I finally have some stuff in the 30s, and that is exciting. Okay, so yes, this is $38. This is STS Blue Taya Skinny Jean, and these are $45. That's an amazing price for Stitch Fix. This is the Fortune and Ivy February lace overlay blouse, and this is $38. Awesome. This is the Paper Moon Fayette mixed material blouse, $38 as well. Awesome. And the skirt is $48, and it is the Renee C. Axel knit skirt. So hopefully I covered all that. Okay, so the total of all 5 items is $207. The buy all discount is $51.75. If you take up the styling fee, then your order total is $135.25. That is definitely the best price Stitch Fix I've had to date. I'm very happy with this fix. So, what am I keeping? What am I keeping? Well, let's go through what I think of things, just to recap it all. So this polka dot top, I believe this is one that was $38. Yeah. Okay, so this polka dot top, I just have concerns about the length and kind of how it will feel and fit. So this one, I might go without the skirt. I'll need to size up. It is $48, which isn't too bad for a Stitch Fix skirt. I have to think about whether I love it or not to do that, but I'm definitely leaning towards keeping this. The purple top is very cute. I think I could go casual or dressy with it. It is another $38 top. This is going to be a keeper. I can tell you that now. the lace shirt, although it is very similar to a top I have already. I just think it's gorgeous. I think these lace tops are just absolutely gorgeous. Pair them with, you know, a white skinny or white shorts, or even I liked it with the gray. I think it's beautiful, so that's going to be a keeper. And the black skinny jeans, I love them. I have no complaints about them, and the price is great since they're $45. I just don't need them. So I think what's going to be my keepers, and I will need to do a little bit of math of the buy all versus these three, but I think that these three items are going to be the keeper: the navy lace, the purple top, and the gray skirt. So I've been making sure to go up to their website every day to do my thumbs up, my thumbs down, so that the algorithms can pick up my style a little bit better. And I think that worked. I mean, I think I'm really happy with everything they sent me, so I highly recommend doing that if you are a Stitch Fix customer. And if you're not a Stitch Fix customer, segue to my referral link below. If you use that link, your styling fee is waived, which is awesome. And then I get a little something something for it. So feel free to use that link below if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix. And that's my video. So thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe so you can see my future videos. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. And I'm done. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll be around for my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.